Yeah. Mm-hmm. Have you ever thought it was everybody else, only to find out the sound was coming from you? I kept moving through life with my head held high, smiling on the outside, questions deep inside. Every little comment felt louder than before. Thought they were knocking on my heart's front door. Every conversation, every look, every stare, I blamed the crowd, thought the problem lived out there. So I kept on running, never slowed my pace. Never knew the echo had my own face. Then one quiet moment, everything got still. No voices around me, yet I heard it still. That's when I knew the sound never left. It wasn't them, it was me all along. I hear the sound of me, pushing every button I refuse to see. Thought it was the world standing in my way, but the voice inside had the loudest thing to say. I hear the sound, no more running now. Healing starts the moment I finally bow. The sound's calling me to become who God created me to be. Some sounds were fear, some were shame, some kept whispering, you'll never change. Some sounded like rejection, others sounded like pain. Different conversations, same old chains. I wore confidence like a tailored suit, but insecurity still hid beneath the roots. Every time I stumbled, every time I fell, it wasn't always people, sometimes I fought myself. God said, be still, listen close. You've been fighting echoes, not your purpose. I hear the sound of me, pushing every button I refuse to see. Thought it was the world standing in my way, but the voice inside had the loudest thing to say. I hear the sound, no more running now. Healing starts the moment I finally bow. The sound's calling me to become who God created me to be. I changed the station, changed the room, changed the people, still heard the tune. Then grace stepped in and rewrote the song. Jesus whispered, you've been mine all along. Now every broken note has a different key. What once was my prison has become my melody. Now hear the sound of grace. Every scar has found its place. I'm not hiding, I'm not ashamed. God took the noise and gave it a name. Now the sound doesn't pull me down, doesn't pull me down. It's my testimony, it's my victory now. I thought it was everybody else until I got quiet enough to hear me. And when I heard me, I finally heard God.